Guys, I hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to review Reflex Active Smart Band or Smartwatch. I just bought it for £16 and 50 pence online market. So let's see it's worthable or not worthable. So I'm going to unbox as well, downloading the app as well, and fully reviewing as well. So let's unbox it. Main function of this exercise machine is step counter, messages, social media messages, GPS connection, heart rate monitor sensor, sleep tracker, call alert, weather and water resistant, weather update, and sport modes, music control, multi-dial, calories tracker, camera control, female health, and breath exercise, hydration reminder, watch locator or phone locator, weather update. So I'm going to unbox as well, guys. Also you can select multi-dial in this watch, so you can choose any dial. Just download the app and download different style of head or man watch. Watch band, watch, charger, booklet. So nothing else in box. Battery life around 2 days and charger with one click charging. Easy to connect with watch. Now let's power on and connect it, guys. GPS tracker, heart rate monitor sensor, sleep tracker, sport mode, weather update, home button, music control. Just need to download the app from Play Store, so I'm going to download it. How to download the app? So all information in menu. Just scan the QR code and download the app. Reflex Active app. So download the app. I'm installing Reflex Active app. After downloading, need to create account and details your detail, and also try to find the smart band, connect watch with the app, and enter the details, login, and you can able to set up smart band from your app. Also you are able to download the update. In this menu you can see the QR code for downloading the app. All instruction in menu available. My smart band is connected with app, so all information, camera control, music control, and camera shutter, 12-hour format, add a reminder, everything available in app. So you can set up your watch from your app, also update, and all the information available in this app. So you can download the man face from app, choose any man face. It's really easy. Choose any theme, graphic, theme, light mode, dark mode, language, unit, date format, in-app notifications are about app setting notification. So this is all notification guys, so you can select any notification. Device user menu, legal notice. Fitness card, you can download different style of headset. Smart device setting, 12-hour format, on, off, camera shutter down, find my smart device. So you can find your device from your phone. Device information, app setting notification, display languages, display. After playing few hours with this smart band, so my experience is bit difficult. Touch screen is bit difficult. You have to press the main button to enter any app, and also bit downside, I not able to find how to set up screen display brightness and minutes or second, how many second your screen is wake up. So few very bad sign mean touch screen is not properly work. You have to touch the home button, but price wise is just for £16. It's good for new user. If you want to learn smart watch, heart rate monitor sensor is okay, work okay, band is okay, just bit downside because I'm not able to find the brightness control or screen timeout control, and also I'm not able to enter in settings or anything. So you have to press home button for 5-6 seconds, then you enter in a menu. So bit hard to use, but if you are a new user and you want to learn something about the smartwatch, is good for you. Heart rate monitor sensor is good, weather update is good, counting step counter is good, social media messages notification is okay, music control is okay. Just the bits downside, the brightness control, I'm not able to find the brightness control and other things. So just cheap watch, cheapest smart band, just for £16.50, but touch screen is not really good, and also entering in a menu is bit hard. You have to hold menu button for few seconds, then you are able to enter in any function. So please let me know guys, what do you think about this smartwatch, a smart band? So let's try to go to settings. So long press the button guys and enter into setting, power mode, and about the watch, find my phone, reset, more setting. So power on off, about the watch, enter, long press. So all information about the watch, find my phone, reset. So I hope you enjoy the Reflex Active watch. I hope you enjoy the unboxing and reviews of smart band, Reflex Active Smart Band. So please subscribe my channel guys for more nice videos, reviews, vlogging videos, and also nice Asian recipes. Thank you so much for watching guys, and have a lovely evening everyone. Take care. Bye.